In a workshop filled with whirring machines and colorful creations, a young inventor sparked with curiosity. Amidst the clinks and clatters, a small robot danced erratically, sending Rosie into a frenzy of invention. Chaos erupted as gears jammed and circuits fizzled, sending Rosie's workshop into disarray. Time slipped away as the looming deadline loomed large, pushing Rosie's determination to its limits. A bond of steel and spark united them as Rosie implored her companions for their mechanical aid. A forgotten blueprint uncovered, revealing secrets that could guide them to triumph in the realm of invention. In a symphony of clanks and whirs, Rosie and her companions synchronized their efforts to harmonize their mechanical orchestra. Resolute and unwavering, the robot stood tall, a testament to their resolve and Rosie's unwavering spirit. A masterpiece of metal and magic unfolded, a testament to the power of imagination and teamwork in the face of adversity.